Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gentlemen, today we are going to learn narration. First of all, we have to justify the meaning of narration. The narration means to narrate something or to tell. Usually, we tell something in two ways. The first one is direct, the other one is indirect. Indirect narration, we quote the other's word as it is. As it is, or original words of something. The indirect means is that own wording. When we tell something in our own wording, यानी कि जब हम किसी के अल्फाज को एज इट इज उसी तरह से बिल्कुल हूबहू बता दें तो तब हम डायरेक्ट नरेशन में होते हैं, और जब उसको अपने अल्फाज में बता दें तब हम इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में होते हैं। अब डायरेक्ट नरेशन में होता क्या है? He says, I will go to Lahore. Direct narration consists of two parts. The first part is reporting speech. The other part is reported speech. In reporting speech, we use a word that is called reporting word. Reporting word. In reporting speech, we call reporting word. Now, if the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then we will make no change in the reported speech. He said to me, you are a good student. This is a direct speech because it contains comma, inverted commas. And when we make it indirect, we will, he told me that I was a good student. We break commas in indirect speech with the help of that and to. In this way, for example, one example more. I said to Ali, I have not taken his pen. I told Ali that I had not taken his pen. If the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then we will make no change in the reported speech except pronoun. We will change while there is reporting verb is says, say or will say. But when a reporting verb is in second form, that is said, then we will make certain changes. These changes would be is, am, or will change into was, were. After this, will, shall will change into would. This will change into that. These will change into those, and may and can will change into might or could. Today, that day, today, that day. Yesterday into last day, or yesterday into previous day. Tomorrow into next day, as it is. Tomorrow into next day. Next day. But have in mind, universal truths and will not go into past. They never go into past. Make it very clear. And we make and the tense past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change. So we look at some examples. For example, I say to him, you are a good boy. Before doing this example, we will know the rules, how we use pronoun according to the person. Our first person is I and we. You will change the reported speech according to the subject. If the subject is first person, if the subject is first person, then we will change it according to subject. If the subject is second person, you, then we will change according to object. And if the person is third person, the person undergo, then it will be not change. Indeed, you can remember a formula to change the person. The formula is son. First person according to subject, second person according to object, third person not changed. Now we look at this example. I say to him, you are a good boy. Here, अब यहाँ में आप देखिए him जो है सेकंड पर्सन को हम किसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट। हम इसको ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज करेंगे। वो किस तरह से? वी विल चेंज इट। आई से टू हिम, ही इज द गुड बॉय। हिम दैट ही इज अ good boy. I say to him that he is a good boy. This is the rule. आपने सेकंड पर्सन को चेंज किया अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट। अब हम देखते हैं he asked me, एक और सेंटेंस पहले यहाँ पे लिखता हूं। he asked me, you live in Lahore. He said to me, you live in Lahore. इसको हम किस तरह से करेंगे? He told me that I lived. Now the second form, first form will convert into second form. I lived in Lahore. Now we will look an example from the third person. I said to him, you are a bad boy. I told him that he was a bad boy. In this way, we make the sentences. The next rule we will learn in our next lecture.